These smoky roast mushroom balls are so good and they only have 6 ingredients. I've got 500 grams of these field mushrooms, so 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and then we want a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And be generous with that, and then some salt, and then we're just going to toss to coat, and we're going to pop it in the oven. Okay, so the mushrooms have been in the oven for 10 minutes, and you can see they've really shrunk down. I'm just going to give them a little toss. Then I'm going to chuck in some walnuts, a couple of handfuls, and we'll cook for another 5 minutes or so to just get the walnuts nice and toasted. Okay, so my walnuts are nice and toasted and the mushrooms are all cooked in. We've got these lovely pan juices. It just smells amazing. I'm using your wild rocket arugula. So then we're just going to pile the mushrooms and the walnuts on top of the salad leaves. There's all the juices over, which is going to make a really lovely dressing for the leaves. And I'm just going to serve it with some sour cream on the side. Before we go, I better introduce myself. I'm Jules Clancy. I'm a food scientist from Australia, and I teach food lovers how to cook without recipes so they actually enjoy eating healthier with ease, and also so they feel better in their clothes. One of the things that makes my recipes unique is that I always include a list of variations to suit different dietary requirements, or if you're missing particular ingredients. So with the smoky roast mushroom bowls, if you didn't have any smoked paprika, you could sub in regular paprika. It won't have the smokiness, but it'll still be pretty good. Or you could use a curry powder. That's going to take the flavors in a different direction, but still it's going to give you that extra boost to the mushrooms. Or something unexpected with mushrooms is ground cinnamon. So wouldn't need as much, maybe half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. That sweetness against the earthiness of mushrooms is so good. Then if you wanted a higher protein, this is amazing with poached eggs or with boiled eggs, or you could add in any cooked proteins. Or if you want a vegetarian higher protein option, you're adding in some lentils or cooked chickpeas would be really good. And if you need to be nut-free, you can just skip the walnuts. I mean, they add extra crunch, but really there's a lot of flavor going on and texture going on from the mushrooms and the salads. And then if you're looking for an alternative to sour cream, hummus would work really well here, or a tahini sauce, or something like a baba ganoush. That would all work really well. I often make a sour cream with a cashew base, so any dairy-free kind of sour cream would work too. Hope you've enjoyed. Hope you're feeling inspired to get into the kitchen. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get more delicious recipes in your feed. Okay, talk soon.